Mr. Speaker, regarding the long delays for security checks processed, or what we call the vulnerable sector check, I appreciate the extra screening to protect the most vulnerable, but the system is now way overburdened. The manager of this RCMP service says in the last year alone, the requests went from 2,500 up to 40,000. One constituent of mine applied last February 24th and only received her clearance last week. So you get the idea just how serious this issue is. There are many people unable to get jobs, many people unable to volunteer. Will the government now commit to hiring more staff at this RCMP centre?
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Public Safety.
Mr. Speaker, we do appreciate and value the work that volunteers do, as well as the necessity for people who are getting employment to have their security checks done quickly. We have introduced measures that will assist the RCMP in doing that. We encourage them to continue to work together with their provincial and their municipal counterparts and work effectively and quickly to get the security checks done for individuals. Thank you.
Honourable Member.